काफ़ी लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है, तो दुख की बात है। मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी, और गलतियाँ तो हुई।
मैडम फोन थोड़ा साइड करिए।
तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए, और शायद सबसे ज़रूरी बात कि कॉम्पनसेशन सही मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये गरीब परिवार हैं और मुश्किल का समय है इनके लिए, तो कॉम्पनसेशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। और मैं यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर से विनती करता हूँ कि दिल खोल के कॉम्पनसेशन।
राहुल जी आपने बड़ी बात कही है मुआवजे की। राहुल जी आपने बड़ी बात मुआवजे की कही है, 2 लाख की बात उन्होंने कही है, तो मुआवजा निश्चित तौर पे ज्यादा उनको मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत गरीब लोग
मिलना चाहिए, गरीब लोग हैं, इस समय इनको जरूरत है। तो अगर आप मैडम जवाब देने दीजिए, इस समय इनको जरूरत है। अब आपने 6 महीने बाद दिया, 1 साल बाद दिया, डिले किया, उससे किसी का फायदा नहीं। राहुल जी भैया आप मुझसे सवाल पूछते हो,
एक बार बोलने दो,
मैं जवाब देता हूँ, आप जवाब खत्म नहीं करने देते हो, मतलब क्या है जी। तो आपने सवाल पूछा है, तो जिसने सवाल पूछा है उसकी इज्जत कीजिए। तो क्या था
सवाल? ये था कि मुआवजे की
मुआवजा जल्दी से जल्दी देना चाहिए, और जितना दिया जा सकता है दिल खोल कर देना चाहिए।
सर परिवार वालों से आपकी बात हुई, उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा? किसको दोषी मानते हैं? जी
देखिए, परिवार वालों से मेरी पर्सनल बात हुई, उनके परिवार के बारे में, उनके बच्चों के बारे में, माता के बारे में, वो कैसे थे, क्या करते थे, तो वैसी बात हुई है। उन्होंने कहा कि प्रशासन की कमी है, उन्होंने कहा कि जो अरेंजमेंट वहाँ पुलिस का होना चाहिए था वो नहीं था, ठीक है। बट बहुत दुख में है, शॉक में है, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं मतलब उनकी जो स्थिति है, उनकी सिचुएशन है, उसको समझने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
राहुल गांधी।
So that's Rahul Gandhi. He's primarily stating that there has been a certain compensation that has been announced by the government, both at the state and centre. There have been messages given, and that should, without a delay, be given, because they are poor families. Many of them, remember, are the ones who've now been left behind by either one partner, or in some cases we are told that children have been orphaned as well. Children have died. Mosmi Singh, meanwhile, is in Aligarh. She was at one of the family's residence where Rahul Gandhi was early this morning, first to reach. So he didn't really charge at either the Yogi government or Modi government, Mosmi, but he did say that at least ensure compensation is given to the families right away.
Right, you know, the big news that's coming out of what Rahul Gandhi has said, it was a very short bite, and
Yes.
I expected that, because, you know, it's a very tragic situation. And Rahul Gandhi, they're also saying that he doesn't want to do politics on this issue. He didn't rake up many issues as far as, you know, the investigation is concerned. We heard the family members demand that there should be action against the Baba. But importantly, he told, he said that I request UP Chief Minister to increase the compensation amount. Dil khol ke unko muavza dena chahiye. That he says. And importantly, he also mentioned the callousness of the administration, saying कि प्रशासन से गलती तो हुई है. So thereby, you know, the fact that what you were saying, Pooja, that 80,000 people were, an estimate was given, and 2.5 lakh people reached the venue. What was the intelligence gathering? What was the input that the administration received? Did the administration just turn away from the entire event? And was it not serious lapses by the administration? So an investigation and a SIT by the administration, for the administration, of the administration, won't do any good, because, you know, I know there is a judicial inquiry, but that's saved for a later day. What about Manju's mother, sister, her daughter, who all are demanding justice? They don't even understand the gravity of the entire situation that's hit them.
Mosmi, keep getting us all these eyewitness accounts. That will be very crucial to help understand what happened, because the fact is simple and the question is simple. Were the lives taken for granted because these were poor people, and because they were strong as devotees, they had that belief that life will become better? Had they been perhaps from the richer backgrounds, would the security, administration, all of that would have been more alert? That's the one important question that we will be asking.